Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to download Adobe fonts in 2025. And right now what I mean with this is right now if I'm selecting the 2v2 and we want to add a new font in just this screen, I will show you exactly what you need to do. Alright, the first thing that we need to do is go to Google Chrome and search for the website DaFont. Then we go to DaFont, download fonts, and then right now we can search for the font that we like. Now you can also search here on niche or topic, so let's search on Groovy. So we click on Groovy and now we have many Groovy fonts right here. Now let's say we want to use the fat cat. What we do now is click here on download. Then the files are downloading. Alright, and when a file is done, click on that file and then you will see this one. Now we double click on this and we click here on install. And right now if you click this away and click this away, and we are back here in our Adobe Premiere. We select the 2v2, then we go to here and we search for fat cat. Now you have it just right here, and now we change our font right here with the fat cat. So this is exactly how you can download Adobe fonts in 2025. Please search on DaFont.com for more fonts, and this is exactly how you can do this. Alright, thanks for watching to this video and have a wonderful day. Ciao.